zebra line for the thermal screening. Now guys, as per the protocol, we have to remove this shield here and get the thermal scanning done. So it's a mandate as per the DGCA. I have got my bag collected, everything is all good, but right now there is a now as per the procedure guys, you have to fill a self-declaration if your return flight is like within 7 days, and you have to just submit this at the exit counter so that you are not stamped. Yeah. Thank you very much. Thank you. Now as you come out of the arrival, you see Akbar travel bench there where you can get cabs. The cabs actually pick you up from here, but if you want Ola and Uber, you'll have to come to the Ola and Uber parking place, which is bit inside. You've got some snack counter up here, and actually that inside the guy was actually quite furious because I was filming and they were not aware that I was just doing it for a blog. So we've just come to the exit area, and right now you're just moving to the parking place. ठीक है भैया, thank you. Now this is the central parking place. On the left you see the Ola zone. The construction is similar because this is a unique airport, and here we have the Diksha Bhumi. It's the Nagpur airport, hence you see the dome on top, which is a symbolic representation of the Diksha Bhumi. You just come out from this place, you actually see this is the parking area of the airport, as well as you have got the Ola and Uber zone. Mostly in this particular airport you will not find much of Uber, more Ola has got presence up here in Nagpur. Anyway, thank you. Thank you very much guys. I hope that you like this particular video. It was a video which had got complete information in regards to an air travel. Hope that you liked the video along with the Gyan session in between. Thank you very much, and please subscribe to my channel. My name is Sadiq Abidi. We are from the banner of Abidi Travels. Thank you very much. Take care. Bye bye.